So before going to start the exercise of chapter 15, I'm going to explain these 5 points. Okay, first, what do you mean by similarity? See this two picture, this one and that one. See this two picture. This one is the just enlarged version of that one, and this one is smaller version of that one, right? So the only things that is changed, that is size, not shape. Okay, so when two figures have same shape but not same size, then it is called similar figure. Okay, and that is called similarity. In case of this two triangle, this is also enlarged version of that triangle, and that triangle is the is the smaller version of that triangle. Okay, so these two triangles are similar. Okay, so in case of similarity, so similarity means two figure, they are same in shape but they have different size. Okay, now see, what do we mean by congruency? Congruency of two figure. Congruency means same shape and same size. Okay, that means, see this picture, this two triangle, picture number 3, this two triangle, they are similar and also congruent. It is congruent. They are same in size and same in shape. Okay, so this is congruence triangle. ABC and PQR, they are congruence triangle. So that means congruence figures are always similar, but similar figures are not necessarily congruent. Okay, now similar, what are the properties of similar triangle? Next point, third point, what are the properties of similar triangles? Okay, so in case of similar triangles, their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Now, what do you mean by corresponding sides and corresponding angles? Suppose you have two triangle, this one and that one. Suppose this is ABC and this is PQR. Now see, corresponding sides means opposite to equal angle. Angle A is equal to angle P. So corresponding side of this will be BC and QR. And in case of similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. What it means? That means BC, length of BC by QR, that is equal and equal to the other corresponding sides. That means, see the next one. See, this is A and angle P. This is two corresponding angles. They are equal. And opposite of these angles are BC and QR. Okay. Now see this angle and that angle. This C and R, they are equal. And corresponding sides means AB, opposite of C, that is AB, and opposite of R, that is PQ. So AB by PQ, they are equal, and that will be equal to, see this angle B and angle Q, they are equal. Okay, so AC by PR, opposite to Q angle, that is PR. Okay, so this is the thing, that corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. And what do you mean by corresponding angles? Now see, if you have two picture like okay, this two picture, see A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay. Now what you can see, that this angle and that angle is equal. Okay, they are equal. And angle C is equal to angle Q, and angle B, that is equal to angle R, right? So they are corresponding angle. And what are the corresponding sides? So according to the since they are similar triangle, corresponding sides of this angle, that means opposite of A, angle A, that one BC, that is BC by QR. So BC by QR is equal to AB by PR is equal to AC by PQ. Okay, here, understood? Since these two triangles are similar, so that's why corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, and the corresponding angles, that means A and P, they are equal. And B, here C and Q, they are equal. And B and R, they are also equal. Okay. Now, the last point that I am going to explain, that is SAS postulates. See, SAS postulates means a condition for similarity of two triangles. See, SAS similarity means, according to these postulates, you can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay. If one angle of a triangle is equal to any angle of another triangle, and in both the triangles, the sides, including the equal angles, are in proportion, then the triangles are similar. That is SAS postulates. One angle of a triangle is equal to any angle of the other one. Okay, suppose in case of ABC and PQR, A is equal to P. Okay, A is equal to angle P, and there is another one condition: sides including the equal angle. Sides including the equal angle means sides are AB, AC, PQ, PR. That means AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Then only you can say, so S, side, angle A, S, A, S. Okay, side, angle, side. That's why side, angle, and side. Okay, so side, angle, side. Understood? So if this condition hold, these two condition hold, then only you can say a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, by that postulates SAS. Okay, understood? Okay, now see the first question of exercise 15A. So you have to choose the correct answer from the option given below. 1A, see the diagram. See the diagram. Two parallel lines are there, and two lines that CA and DB. Okay. Similar triangle, right? And O, that angle are equal. Okay. This angle are equal. Angle DOC is equal to angle AOB. OD by OB is equal to OC by OA. Okay. Now OC by OA is 1.5. That is given. Because OC, it is written that OC equal to 1.5 OA. So 1.5 means 3 by 2. That means OB equal to 2 by 3 OD. Okay, so option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. Now next one. See this triangle. Picture of this two triangle. 65. This is 55. Now sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So this angle will be 180 minus 65 plus 55. Now if you add, it will become, this is 60 degree. And in case of second picture, in case of second picture, this angle will be 180 minus 65 plus 70. Okay, so it will become 45 degree. Okay, this one. Now see, 65 and 65, these two angles are equal. Okay, other angles, value of other angles, they are different. See, in case of first triangle, angles are 65, 55 and 60. And in case of second triangle, 65, 70 and 40, 45. Okay, so corresponding angles are not equal. Only two angles are equal. So corresponding angles are not equal. So these two triangles are not similar. So answer will be 2, no. See, question number C. OA is 5. OB is 6. OC 3. And OD 10. They are perpendicular to each other. So this 4 angle, These four angles are 90 degree. Okay, these are 90 degree. See, if you consider these two triangle BOC and angle AOD, in that case, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay, this angle and that angle, they are equal to 90 degree. Now see, OC by OB is equal to OA by OD, right? So you can say that angle AOD. So see the option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Okay. Angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Okay. This angle and that angle. This angle and that angle. Okay. They are equal. E by OA is equal to OD by OB. Okay. If these two triangles are similar triangle, then this will happens. Now that means 12 by 18 is equal to 20 by x. Now 12 by 18 means 2 by 3. So x equal to 30. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. From geometry, you have to draw the picture, the diagram that is needed and that is related to the question. Okay. And you have to relate the diagram and your answer. Okay. Suppose you have drawn a diagram and there is no name, I mean ABC or PQR, and you have explained and you have written something. So that means that particular diagram that doesn't make any sense. Okay. So you have to draw and you have to relate with your answer. Okay. Now see, it is given that in case of this two triangle ABC and triangle DEF, these two angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D, and that AB by AC is equal to DE by DF. So this two sides and this two sides. Okay. So that means by the postulates is by SAS angle triangle ABC is similar with triangle DEF by SAS postulate. Okay. Common angle and sides including this angle, they are proportional. Okay. Understood? Because that means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. You have to write this way. Understood? ABC, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In case of these two triangle, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. Okay, that means now from here you can say corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. Now see, AL and AM, they are two median. Since AL and DM are medians, that means L is the midpoint of BC. That means BL is equal to LC is equal to half of BC, and EM is equal to MF is equal to half of EF. Since they are medians, AL and DM, they are medians, ratio of medians in case of two similar triangle, ratio of medians is equal to the ratio of sides. So you can easily write, since it is median, that means it is equal to AL by DM. Okay. So from here you can say this one is true. Okay. Or else you see another thing, BL by EM is equal to half of BC by half of EF, right? So BC by EF, that you can say. See, in case of these two triangle, angle B is equal to angle E, right? And AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, that is equal to BL by EM, right? So that means BL by EM. Now from this two part, you can use SAS. You can say these two are similar. Okay. Now from here, you can say AB by DE is equal to AL by DM is equal to BL by EM. And BL by EM, that means BC by EF. So, see, proved. See this. See this picture. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. And another thing is given to you, that is AD square is equal to BD into CD. Okay. So you can write AD by BD is equal to CD by AD. You can write like this, right? Now see, ABD and ACD in this two angles, in case of these two angles, see, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree, right? Because it is perpendicular. AD by AB is equal to CD by this condition. Hold. That means AD by BD is equal to CD by AD. Now, by SAS, angle ADB is similar to angle ACD. Okay. Angle triangle ADB is similar to triangle ACD. That means corresponding angles are equal, right? So that means angle, see, one angle is equal, that we have already shown that this angle is equal to that angle. Now see, since these two triangle are similar, that means angle ABD is equal to angle CAD and angle BAD is equal to angle ACD. Okay. Now see one thing. If you consider the bigger triangle, that is triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to angle BAD plus angle CAD, right? That you can say this angle BAC is equal to this angle plus this angle, right? Now see, in case of this triangle ABD, in case of that triangle, angle BAD plus angle ABD is equal to 90 degree. Because this is 90 degree, so sum of this angle and that angle is 90 degree. And from triangle ACD, you can say CAD plus angle ACD is equal to 90 degree. Now, if you add this two relation, what you have got? Angle ABD plus angle BAD plus angle CAD plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree, because 90 plus 90, 180 degree, right? Angle ACD is equal to angle BAD. See, angle ACD, this angle is equal to angle BAD from this relation, right? So you can replace it, and angle BABD is equal to angle CAD. So you can replace these two things. So you can write angle CAD in case of angle ABD, CAD, yes, okay, plus angle BAD plus angle CAD, same things, you just plus ACD, you can write BAD because they are equal. So BAD, that is equal to 180 degree. Now see, BAD you have written twice and CAD you have written twice. So you can write 2 into angle BAD plus angle CAD equal to 180 degree. That means angle BAD plus angle CAD is equal to 90 degree, right? Now this means see this. This is 90 degree. That means BAC, that is also 90 degree. Proved. Okay? Understood? Now see, question number 5. In this figure, ABC and DEF, they are similar. That is given. Okay. BM and EN, they are medians. ABC and DEF, they are similar. Then prove that. You have to prove this 3 part. Okay. Now see, if this two triangles, they are similar, that means angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. And angle BCA is equal to angle EFD. Okay. Now another thing, corresponding sides. That means AB by corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, and that is equal to AC by DF. Okay. Now another thing, since these two are medians, BM and EN are median of triangle ABC and triangle EDF respectively. That means this that means BM by ratio of medians, that will be equal to the proportion of corresponding sides. That means this is equal to AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Okay. Now see, since BM and EN, they are medians of this two triangle, AM equal to half of AC. This implies AM equal to half of AC is equal to MC. Okay. And similarly, in case of this triangle, DN is equal to half of DF is equal to NF. Okay. N is the midpoint of DF and M is the midpoint of AC. Okay. Clear? That much clear? Okay. Now see, you have to prove that this two triangle AMB and triangle DNE. In case of this two triangle, that means this one and that one, this angle A and angle D, these are two equal angle. Angle A is equal to angle D, and AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. Why AM by DN? Why? Because AM is half of AC and DM is half of DF. Since AC by DF, it is equal, this ratio is equal to AC by DF, that means this is equal to AM by DN. Since AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, that you can write. Okay. So by SAS, you can write these two triangles are similar, right? And now it is proven that first part, that first part is proven, that the see the first part, this part is proven. Now this part, see, similar way I'm going to prove it. See, angle C is equal to angle F. In case of triangle CBM or CMB, whatever may be, and triangle FNE, this one and that one. In case of this two triangle, angle C is equal to angle F, and BC by EF is equal to MC by NF. Why? Since BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Okay. Okay. So that means by SAS, these two triangles are similar. Okay. Now the last part, that is BM by EN, that is obviously equal to AC by DF. That is given. See, since the BM and EN, they are two medians of this two triangle, that means ratio of two medians in case of two similar triangle, that will be equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. Now see, from here you can say this. Okay. Okay, in case of this question number 6, ABC, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. That means AC is equal to BC, right? This two that is given. See the symbol. That means AC is equal to BC. Now see, another condition is given. AP cross BQ is equal to AC square. You can write AP by AC is equal to AC by BQ. Okay. Now you from this two triangle ACP and BCQ, this two triangle ACP, this one, and BCQ, this one, angle CAP is equal to angle CBQ. Why? See, I'm going to write this reason here. See, angle CAB is equal to angle CBA, right? Because this is an isosceles triangle, so this angle is equal to that angle. Now this is the outsider angle, right? This angle CAP is equal to 180 degree minus angle CAB. CAP is 180 degree minus CAB, and angle CBQ, that is also 180 degree minus angle CBA. Okay. Since these two are equal, and if you subtract it from same quantity, you will get same things, right? So that means CAP is equal to CBQ. Now see, from this condition, what you have got, AP by AC is equal to AC by BQ. Now you know that AC means CB or BC, right? So you can write AP by BC is equal to AC by BQ. So that means AP by BC, that means one side of this triangle by one side of this triangle is equal to AC, one side of this triangle by another side of this triangle. They are equal. That means here you can write, since AC equal to BC, that means from SAS you can easily say that ACP is similar to BCQ. Okay.